Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today tip of the day: how to use trackpad or mousepad effectively in Apple OS X, Apple Mac. Our video channel, YouTube channel is Abdul Fanzone. Please subscribe and share our channel for more videos. Basically, trackpad is using gestures, finger movement, and there is trackpad having the meaning. I'm just going to the preferences, system preferences, then going to the mouse. Sorry, I'm going to the trackpad. Okay, and there's a number of tricks are there. Okay, you will see here trackpad is there. Tap to click. Tap to click, you will see here. Tap to clicking here. I'm just enabling this feature. Tap to click mean you can change your picture and whatever this is. Secondary click is there. You will see you are using two fingers here, and you will get the properties of. If I'm disabling this feature, it's not coming with two fingers. I'm enabling this finger, secondary click, then it's coming accordingly. Then look up. What is this meaning? Three fingers, and you will see here how is happening in the Apple example. Three finger drag, see, is a dragging. Three finger dragging. I have one picture, you can drag that picture accordingly with three fingers. Okay, scroll and zoom. Scroll direction natural. This first option. Scrolling accordingly, you will see zoom in or zoom out. Take two fingers and in and out. You will see picture is in and out. Smart zoom. There is a smart zoom. Double click on this one. If I'm just clicking this option, it will be enabled. Rotation is there. If you want to rotate your picture, you can easily rotate with your fingers. Come on, more gestures. Okay, swipe between the pages. You can swipe pages in this way with two fingers. Swipe between full screen app. You can full screen, you can move from this one. Notification center is there. See the difference. You will see the notification. I simply move my fingers there, notification came back. I'm just mission control is coming with three fingers. See, mission control is coming. App exposure, swap down with three fingers. Launch pad is there. I'm launching pad. Launch pad. See the launch pad. How is launching the pad? See, with four fingers, I'm just going with four fingers. You can launch pad. Actually, launch pad is here. You can go and you can launch pad, but through gestures. Show desktop. See, show desktop. Show desktop. I'm doing here. So that was our tip of the day. You will see, you will enjoy, and you will get experience. So please subscribe, like our channel Abdul Fanzone. Thank you so much for watching this video.